So guys, we're on the way to feed the bees with the honey from yesterday's bees. They won't be suspicious like, where you get this honey from? Oh wow. Yeah, looks so intimidating. They're asleep. The one that look like a one baby hive. So this one's so much smaller. You sure? So we alright, them a fly still, you know. Like you just left the honey over there like that. And I'm gonna eat it. On his own. And later we're gonna pick up the other ones then. From yesterday. And release the queen because she's still in her little cage.
Pitch out. Wow, they might fly out good, man. Alright, so guys, this is the queen that we're gonna release. Here she goes.
Okay guys, this is the beach. And here are the beach rules, guidelines. Okay, Frenchman, Cove. See Sarah there.
And at the same time, he want to go survey himself. Just like what you say,
Sometimes they all have turtles here. They're in their eggs in the sand. So I think like September time also they will hatch. Okay, none.
Hey guys, we made it to Frenchman's Cove, the most beautiful beach in Portland.
Yeah, yeah, elementary. Nice here, huh?
this one make you ride on, ride on. What about the nation and over creation? Yeah, sometimes rain and sometimes shine. All the sorrow and trouble you gotta leave behind. Ride on. What time is a great tribulation? Nation them a fight against nation. What time is a great tribulation? She want a bam bam in a big billion. Away from the DJ call ranking, baby. When we fling it on the roads and reality, and it's the best thing in life for free. Come back to the best thing in life for free.
I show you some swimming. Come on, you can do it. Floating. Down here they are float. That count. Very good. And it's funny how the water so cold some place and so one part of that door.
Because it's like the old water and you try to come out. You know, you come from the far road. Huh? Which one you looking for? Yeah. I went down there and I told them we have bigger because I took a friend. Not just the huts, we have a little bit. Yeah. So I told them, then you'll give them. I said, let me tell you something. What kind of water? So if I want my kids to sleep on my head, that's fine. I said, I'll drink like Hardy. Oh, no. We'll give you the room. Don't tell me this is the room. About family. I can't believe this is real. This is really real. I'm in Jamaica. Can't believe it. Oh my goodness. So guys, we're checking out the next side of the island. Thank you very much. Guys, I made it over here to the lonely island. It's really nice. My legs are tired now. So guys, we made it to Boston. Up there you have the different church centers. That's true. All people live here.
But you know, some people are going on holiday and not do diet.
That is boring.
left without one. One when I have in the fridge, I have sometimes.
Okay.
They don't have to know.
We have chicken, we have chicken sandwich.
Look at that sample.
Oh.
What kind of sausage?
Chicken.
Want to try this?
Take a bite.
Wow.
It's like
This is really nice, guys.
yeah.
So guys, got a sample.
Very well seasoned, I like it.
What do you think? This one?
Yeah, you know, look so directly. You mean hot and spicy hot? Is right. So I'm not alone who sometimes are born like
Yeah, I'm not like spicy.
Hello, princess.
1 pound a pork. And can get a side of festival, sweet potato and yam.
No, yeah. No, yeah. Breadfruit.
I get
Breadfruit. No, where's that?
you can get 4 more. You have rice please?
No, rice.
Oh, alright, give me the breadfruit then. What kind of juice does it have again? This is June plum and this is beetroot and this is out by Boston. Come and chop from here.
1 cups.
Yeah. No, I may have no more. I'll give you 1,000, miss. Take the 1,000.
Change it for me.
Go to the send me out money.
How much you getting from us now? How much you getting from us? This
What do you-
plus festival, breadfruit and potato. You have potato at least?
No. Potato finish, right?
So everything just finished? Huh? That was more.
3-5. 2 by 3. 2-5. Bread.
How much?
Breadfruit. 3-5. Come.
So you get some from
They only have breadfruit and they only have breadfruit and a little bit of dumpling. You want to go see if we can get some sides?
dumpling, you mean fried dumpling?
Yeah. And you have the change fare for give me.
I'm a figure of your change.
Yes.
Much you tell for the juice?
700.
What kind of juice that?
June plum. June plum. get them juice. How for juices? Are you buy juice, Sarah? Or you buy pineapple? So guys, you can help yourself. Thank you. Oh gosh, that's a whole heap. Jerk 4. Breadfruits. Festival. Sausage. Sarah get fish. What was that? More breadfruit. Guys, the man give me pear fata. Feel white healthy. Should I do like Craig and say no fat? One thing is out of no fat. One thing I also in your bad when you don't say it.
Charge more when you know.
But no, then charge more with no skin.
I mean, no fat skin here.
I say big
fat. Love the spices. Like in a mobile, they only sell it without. Just
the one where you tell about the scotchy.
So that more
and as I say, no skin over there anymore.
I skin up where skin for true. Now we just have 2 people, you know. You think you're going to eat with me?
Of course I'm eating. Yeah, you want to get more time. Yeah.
True. Very good. What's up?
Really nice. Do they have sausage here? Jack sausage? Absolutely delicious.
You find the pork too hot? So that's why you don't want them?
I miss my hip kind of hot.
Yeah.